Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to share a real gem I discovered in Osaka, Japan, the Hotel Oaks Early Bird Osaka Morinomiya. Seriously, this place is incredible. Want to book it? Scan the QR code on the screen right now. It'll take you straight to their booking page. Okay, now let's dive into what makes this hotel so utterly fantastic. Forget just a place to sleep. This hotel is a full-blown experience. The vibe is just fantastic. It's modern, it's stylish, but also super welcoming and comfortable. Honestly, from the moment you walk in, you feel relaxed and ready to have the best time. And the best part? It's all about entertainment and relaxation. Seriously, they've thought of everything. First off, if you're a fitness fanatic like me, you'll be in heaven. They have a state-of-the-art fitness center. Weights, treadmills, everything you need to keep up your workout routine while you're traveling. No excuses, right? Honestly, I love starting my day with a quick session before heading out to explore Osaka. And after a long day of sightseeing, you can head to their amazing spa. They offer all kinds of treatments to help you unwind and recharge. I'm talking massages, facials, the works. Seriously, pure bliss. I left feeling totally refreshed and ready for round 2 of exploring the city. But wait, there's more. They also have a game room. Yeah, you heard me. It's the perfect place to hang out with friends, play some games, and just have some fun. From pool tables to video games, there's something for everyone to enjoy. It's a great way to unwind after a busy day, or just have some good old-fashioned fun. Plus, they offer free Wi-Fi throughout the entire hotel, so you can stay connected and share all your amazing experiences with everyone back home. And if you're feeling adventurous and want to explore the local area, they even have bike rentals available. How cool is that? Seriously, Hotel Oaks Early Bird Osaka Morinomiya is the whole package. It's fun, it's relaxing, and it really elevates the whole travel experience. So, what are you waiting for? Remember that QR code? Scan it to book your stay right now. Don't miss out on this incredible hotel. Trust me, you won't regret it. Happy travels, everyone, and thanks for watching.